All right, gang. Got another load, man. Another load, man. Today, Wednesday, we're going from North Carolina to Cleveland, Ohio. It's gonna be roughly like 10 to 11 hour drive. Already at my pickup location over here, man. Another warehouse. Actually, my phone is SOSing right now for some reason, man. But I'm going here and see if I can check in, get loaded up, man, and be on my way. Y'all stay tuned. Move a little bit, move. All right. Right. You got anything, any paperwork? Y'all stay with it.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you talking and where you walking, or you and your homies might be lined in chalk. I really hate to trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Oh, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street, like oh yeah. Been spending most their lives living in a gangster's paradise. Oh, been spending most their lives living in a gangster's paradise. Oh, keep spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Oh, keep spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the street.
We finally made it up here to Cleveland, Ohio, and look what we facing. Some people like snow. It's pretty and everything, but it ain't pretty when you gotta drive in it, man. It ain't pretty when you gotta drive in it, man. Then I gotta wait for this place to open up at 11 o'clock, man. Let me tell y'all something, though. If you think about getting to the cargo van business, the cargo carrier business, and you want to go state to state, you better learn how to read your map, man. And you better learn how to check the weather report before you go to any state. If you know it's around wintertime, don't go nowhere up north. Telling you, don't go to Cleveland. Don't go to Washington. Don't go to New York. No places like that. Don't go nowhere up north, man. I'm telling you, man. Leave them places alone. If you're doing state to state cargo van driving off, if you're doing trucking or whatever, because getting here wasn't easy, man. By the grace of God, I made it here, man. Them streets. Do you see these streets, man? It took me like 2 hours. 2 hours. I got here 2 hours later than I supposed to get here. because I had to drive extra slow out there. And listen, these folks threw this route in my hand. You know what I mean? I bid on this route. I got this route so fast, they threw it. As soon as I bid it, the route choice. Like, god dang, you know why? Because all the veterans know not to come up this way. Either they was charging way more than usual, or they wasn't bidding on this load. They wasn't trying to come up this way. So they got a rookie like me, threw it in my hand. Then when I read the note, first the note said, pick up today, deliver today. But I ain't thinking about, you know what I'm saying? It said deliver today. Now, in my head, I'm thinking like, it's gonna take me 10 hours to get here. And I got the load around about 12 something. So naturally, you know what I'm saying, if a business gonna be closed, the business gonna be closed. But I'm thinking if they saying 9 times out of 10, if they saying deliver today, the business might be open 24 hours. That's why they saying deliver today. So if I got here at 10 o'clock at night, you know what I'm saying, I still could deliver it. But nah, I got the download. Then they changed it and said, "Oh, deliver tomorrow." That's what the dispatcher put in the notes after I bid it and got the download. Oh, good with dates. It's delivered tomorrow. I'm like, bro, I'm saying I'm delivering. I told them I'm delivering this thing today. The note said today. That's when but then they changed back. Well, it's gonna take you 10 hours to get there. How you gonna deliver? I'm thinking the place gonna be open like 24 hours. Whenever I get there, I'm gonna deliver it. Well, we gonna check with them. Bronpay them already knew. Bronpay. They slick, man. And they'll try to lowball you. And they'll try to give you any type of route. Argo Expedite, they try to work with me because Argo them always trying to get me back home. After I took this load, Argo them had put a post up where they text me and be like, they were like, oh, well, we got a load going from South Carolina. No, North Carolina where I was to Jacksonville, Florida. Jacksonville, Florida is 4 hours away from where I stay at in Georgia. 4 hours away in Georgia, is right outside of Georgia. That would have been a perfect, and it was 600. It's almost the same mileage as this up here. You know what I'm saying? Coming to Cleveland. But I'm 10 hours away from home, and there's a blizzard going on up here. I would have been in Jacksonville, Florida if I would have just hold off and took the route with Argo though. If I would have took the route with Argo Expedite, that route would have landed me in Jacksonville, Florida, and I probably would have got paid the same amount of money. See what I'm saying? Then when I took this load, I told Argo them I already booked the load because I'm working with like 4 different dispatchers. So I would convey what I got going on to the other dispatchers for them to stop sending me loads. So they already know, don't say they'll know to stop sending me loads. I'll be like, I told them, well, I'm already booked. So Argo them, Luke, that's the name. He was like, well, where you going at? So I told him I'm going to Cleveland. Then he said, well, how much? Well, he said what the rate was. But he asking the rate. 9 times out of 10, they do that because they want to try to get me loads when I get here. They be like, you got to tell them your ETA, your estimated time arrival. Then, so they'll know they'll start trying to look for you loads while you up there. But he asked the rate and everything. But you know why he was asking the rate? He asked the rate because he wanted to see, did I get done good? Did I get, don't saying was I getting compensated right for coming up here and all this bull crap? He knew what was gonna go on up here, but I ain't know, cause I ain't never been up here. I never been up here, but they knew, man, this is gonna be my last time working with Bronpay. Yeah. They set me up the first time, Washington, Vancouver. All the time I tried to bid on, you know what I'm saying, on long haul routes with Bronpay them. they never would give me them. They never would even bid for me. But they always used to bid for the short route, the $200 route. You know what I'm saying? And then all of a sudden, New Year's Eve come up. Another time, I'm guessing I put two and two together. Nobody ain't gonna want to drive way out and be gone for New Year's Eve, and then like, you know what I'm saying, while it's wintertime at that, going to no damn Vancouver. Nobody want to do that. As soon as I put that load, they say, oh, all of a sudden the load mine. You bid it for me for one thing, that was surprisingly. Then secondly, it's my load. You know why? Because nobody ain't want to do it. It's New Year's Eve, man. And it's wintertime. But you know, my dumb behind, I do it. Then I get up there. The drive was 38 hours. I get hurt. My damn side started hurting so doggone bad, man, because I wasn't getting out. I wasn't getting out as much as I needed to. On a 38-hour drive, that drive should have called for a team. You know what I'm saying? Y'all take turns driving. Because every time I stop, they on my butt. They on my ass every time I stop. Like, oh, because they see they tracking you. Oh, we see you stopped again. Taking a little break. I'm just saying, like, no, I'm saying, they texting me. They ain't calling, they texting. You taking a break? Yeah, I'm taking a break and text back. Okay, well, how long you think you're gonna be there right this time? Cause they really don't want you to take no break. They want to all they want to do is make sure that load get there on time. The load was for like, man, I had like a whole day to get this load over there and dropped off. You know what I'm saying? But it's a 38-hour drive. I'm gonna take a lot of breaks. But they really don't want you to do that. They know you got to, but they really don't want you to do that. So they be on your ass like, how long you think you gonna be there? Man, listen, dog, like, as long as I need to. It's a 38-hour drive. But they don't care. Them Indians don't care nothing about you, man. Because they getting the percentage off of whatever you do. They don't care what kind of condition they sending you into, man. I might end up getting stuck up here, dog. I might end up getting stuck up here, man. If they don't clear these streets out, I'm end up getting stuck out here. It's like they trying to clear it out right now. They trying to clear it out right now, though, man. If y'all can see that truck over there. No, I can't zoom in. But they were there at that gas station over there, to the left. With the light blinking at. You know what I'm saying? Man, it's 18 degrees up here, man. 18 degrees, bro. Y'all stay with it, man. Like I said, I'm gonna check back in with y'all, man, when in a few hours, man. I'm trying to give me some shut eye. And y'all stay with it, man. Oldest Cargo Trail. All right, gang. About to get unloaded finally, man. This goddamn snow ain't no joke out here, man. At all. This snow ain't no joke, man. Hold up for a minute. Strap off here, bitch. All right, good. Yeah, I'm good. Man, my hand cold as a motherfucker, boy. Cleveland, Ohio, man. That's how it is out here. Damn, blizzard. I'll stay with it, man. Let me take my pictures.